Good morning. My name is Steve Schroeder with Rethink Bowling. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the app so that you can kind of see why things were created and how it works on the consumer level, not on the control level of the back office, but this is the consumer level, the customer who's walking around with the app. Now, the first thing they'll see over here is the big black screen where you kind of see the login where they will choose a username and password, and when they go to log in, they'll be given the different centers to join, like your bowling center, Steve's bowling center. Here is the sample. It'll automatically kind of track which bowling center they want to join, and they'll select it and they join it, and then they come in here and they'll put their picture in here. As you see this, they'll have this platinum membership card. This is going to be like the logo of your center that we collected on the link. And then this can be a sponsor logo or any other logo that you would like. It's going to have their name. It's going to have their customer number here. It'll have their membership status active, what date they started, and then they can view the balances and they can also do a review on Google or a review on Yelp, all from right here based on all of their experiences. Now, when they flip the card over, it's going to look like this on the back. It's going to have all of their prepaid balance, all of their rewards balance, entries into prizes, and then all of these categories can all be customized by each center. So every center can set up their own categories, they can have own balances, and we'll show you how they redeem those as we go. So let me walk through a few other features of the app now. Here's a little close-up of what a membership card looks like. So you can see that Steve Schroeder is the fourth customer. Here's his little picture. It'll tell silver membership. He's active. He can flick over his balances. Now, it'll also give Steve membership options, and we can customize this for any center. So here's a Platinum Plus membership option, which is $24.99 a month. It's valid for 1 month. They can buy it, and then it'll automatically either hit their credit card or take it out of a prepaid account, or they could pay cash to an employee. Anything we want to do, they can do, but it can all be done in the app remotely. And here's tells them what they're going to get in the membership option. And this might here be a logo of whatever you want to do. It could be a logo of a sponsor. This can be anything that we can upload. And it'll tell them that with your platinum membership, you're going to get maybe a 10% cash back on all preload benefits. Maybe you're going to get 20 entries every month to win prizes. When you preload money into the app, you're going to get a 20% like preload benefit. You get one beer, one drink of choice. You get an oil change, and whatever you kind of want to put here. Here's a silver membership. So, in other words, all the memberships can be customized and they can choose. Now down here, notice we have a general membership or a free membership. So if any center does not want, or any vertical does not want their customers to pay for a membership, but they want all the ability to communicate, we have a free membership option. Can I keep going? Here's what it kind of looks like in the screen. The consumer sees, well, I want to go home. Here's my personal profile that I can edit. Here's the inbox of messages that we push right to them, and we'll illustrate that a little later. You can communicate with different segments of your database with push button ease, and we'll show that push message library a little bit later here. They can click on membership options and change their membership and update it at any time. Money goes right into your account. Preload balance, they can check their balances. They can buy coupons. They can buy packages, and I'll show you this in a minute. They can select draws. They can look at all their purchase history. They can look at their redemption history, and then this is the social media section I'll illustrate in a second. Now, here's when they click on buy coupons, here's what it might look like. And all of this can be customized for every center. So you can put like 10 shoe rentals, maybe it's $25, right? And they can buy one of these and they can buy multiple ones. So you can create packages and coupons where maybe they want to buy this for somebody else, or maybe they want to buy 20 different shoe rentals for $50. They would select two, buy it. Money goes right into the center. And remember, with all purchase of coupons, there is no money taken out. You get to keep the whole 100% of that. You can put in beers. Here's 10 beers. You can put in margaritas. I mean, all of this can be customized, and people can scroll through here, pick out anything they want to purchase, buy it, and it goes right into their account. And then we'll show you how they redeem that in a little bit. You can also have things in here that You can do business synergy, like, we're working with the Orlando Disney theme park. You get a special discount for your members. They buy it, and you get to keep the money on this one because of what we do for the Orlando theme park. So more on that later. But this is how they buy coupons, and then it all tracks their balances right inside of the app, and we'll show you how they redeem it. Here's some packages, right? Packages are different than coupons. The way coupons work is that would be like 50 games for $100, 20 shoes for $20, or 10 margaritas for $20, or things that you don't necessarily redeem all at one time. A package is what you redeem all at one time. So you might get, two large smoothies and 1 hour of bowling for 19.95. And then you would just redeem this all at one time. You can't break out one smoothie out of a package and use it. So like a pizza pins and pop is another popular kind of a thing. You get 3 games of bowling, a large pizza up to three toppings, and a pitcher of choice. So you get to a package is something that combines 2, 3, 4, 5 different things that they can buy at one time and redeem it at one time. The other coupon kind of a situation is maybe 50 games for $50, but they're only going to use 5, and then they'll have 45 left over for their next visit. So hopefully you kind of see the difference there. Here's what it looks like when they go to purchase a package. It explains everything about the package. It'll tell them, here's what you get: a large pizza, three toppings, a pitcher of choice, 1 hour of bowling, shoe rental up to 4 people. It's valid from whatever to whatever. You can order one of these, 2 of these. You can put a block on these, right? So you can create special packages like this and have people maybe they want to purchase 10 of these for a discount of $250, but they can only use one a week. So now you've got a customer automatically coming back once every week for 10 weeks with no advertising and no marketing cost, and all the money paid in advance. And if he misses a week, you keep the money. So this is the advantage of discounting in bulk, because you can put a block on this. Now, it's probably not a good idea, but if you want to, you can. So this makes the guy come back every single week. Otherwise, he loses his pizza pins and pop kind of a thing. That's what it looks like. We have all kinds of poker kind of capabilities. One thing to think about is that if you like poker, there's all kinds of rules when they don't win real money, but they actually win rewards money back to your center. So you can hold amazing poker tournaments, and the prizes can be maybe $200 like balance into the center, which they can use on anything. So as long as it's not real money they can take outside the center, you can run these things, which feels just like real money. You can have half the money go to nonprofits, so you can run all kinds of really neat, tournaments or poker tournaments or things like this, and raise a lot of money for schools or any kind of nonprofit in your neighborhood. Now, here's what happens when they go to purchase or redeem a coupon. So, as you see here, like they have, let's see if we can find the Applebee. So we have 29 Applebee's. We have one every day. Applebee's is providing this for us free of charge. So when the person walks into Applebee's and says, "Hey, I joined Steve's Bowling Center. I get 29 free. I get a free appetizer every day." The employee says, "Yes." Would you hit the appetizer? It shows up right here. You redeem the coupon for one appetizer, and then it says hit the dismiss button. When they hit the dismiss button, it'll say show it to the employee. Okay, which we didn't put that screenshot in, but this same thing comes up and it says show this to the employee, and they serve them the appetizer, no problem whatsoever. Let's go back over here. We had 2 screenshots of that. That's what it was. Now, then it shows all the purchase history, so the consumer anytime can hit their purchase history and go back any kind of date and see what they bought, what they have. As soon as they purchase anything, they get a push message. So this is a picture of a push message that come right to my phone, and it says, "Steve, thank you for buying a five enterprise rent a car days coupon." Right. So this is something we do with Enterprise. They got 5 days for a discount. They can use one a day or 2 during a certain week, all kinds of stuff. And you get a push message right to the phone, letting me know that I had purchased it, and that puts it right into their account. We also have a digital drawing kind of a mechanism where they can win prizes like a $100 Costco gift card here, and it'll allow them to put the entries that they have. There's their entry balance 20. They can add entries like 5 entries to win that. It'll tell them when it takes off and every kind of, give them all the information. The drawing is right in here. When here's the different draws that could be going on. Here's our Costco gift card. So they hit add entries. That takes you to the screen we saw previous. They add it and they get a push message right to their library. And here's what that push message inbox looks like. Thank you for adding entries for the Enterprise Rent-A-Car. Thank you for adding entries to the Costco. Um, Whenever a package or a coupon is purchased, it stores all of their inbox push messages so they can access them later. And then it'll give a special thank you note. Thank you for adding entries to the digital draw. Your entries will be counted as scheduled for the draw date and time. And then you kind of dismiss it, and they are good to go. And then here is a picture of the how we have captured social media inside of the app. So when you click on that last bottom thing that we saw, or share, they get to look at it, and they can either record a video or take a picture. They allow that. Then it says, well, if we want to access photos and media, allow that. And then here's what it actually looks like. Now, this hashtag is auto hashtag. So we set up auto hashtags. The consumer doesn't have to worry about it. It automatically populates because we have controlled the camera inside of the app. The person takes a picture of your bowling center or anything like that. The hashtag is automatic. They tweet it, and everything goes out. We're going to tie in automatic social media rewards to the next upgrade. Right now, it can be manual. They can walk in and show you to the phone. It tracks it, and then maybe you can give them a reward. We can have them go all around town doing like what's called geo social media scavenger hunts, where we can put in different auto hashtags, different pictures, and over the course of a week, if they go to different venues like Walmart and Lowe's and Starbucks, they come back and they show you this trail that all happened in 1 week, then you might give them a $10 reward, and Starbucks pays for all of that. Walmart pays for all of that. All the businesses pay for all of that because you're sending customers and verifying the fact, and they're promoting local businesses with social media because of the reward you're giving them at the center. So not only will they reimburse the rewards that they're used, but they'll also end up giving a donation to their nonprofit because of all of this kind of thing. So we'll tell you some more about it, but it's just all built in automatically when you take a picture. And we've got Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter all lined up, so they can do either one of those. So this is what it actually kind of looks like. There's the automatic hashtag. Who's in the photo? Georgia US, tweet it, and we are good to go. So those are some neat features of the app. We'll look forward to talking to you later. Thank you very much.